From this video of candlestick series level 2, we will be discussing about reversal candlesticks. Particularly, in this video, we will discuss about bullish reversal candlestick patterns, or we can just say it as formations. Bullish reversal is the one where the script which had stayed in downtrend reverses and moves into uptrend. Actually, the particular point where this happens is said to be bullish reversal. In this video, we will discuss about single candlestick patterns which occurs and hints about this bullish reversal. Hi viewers, Namaste. Welcome to the world of Get Trading. In a downtrend and at an important alert point, that is a good support point or so, price opens and tries to close below itself respecting the previous trend. But at one important point, there will be a rejection for the fall and price rises back. It rises in such a momentum that price closes above its open. What does this mean? At this important point, bulls thought this as a best discount price and entered the script. Actually, buyers were so aggressive that the price rose and closed at a price which is greater than the open. This movement will give us a hint that maybe the sentiment is shifting from bearish to bullish. Am I right? Do you get what I say? Actually, by the end of this series, you will actually wait at these important levels for the candlestick patterns which we will be discussing in this whole series. Whenever those patterns are formed at these important levels, you can take your trading action. Another good thing of following this series is, you need not memorize all the patterns. Instead, you just need to decode the sentiment which the candle is exhibiting. How? We discussed in the previous video, right? Okay, let us see whether this candle is showing bullish sentiment or not. Divide the candle range into 3 zones. As the close is in upper zone, this sentiment is bullish sentiment candle. Any confusions? Watch our previous video, please. Link in the I symbol above. Okay. Now, what are the different possibilities of the close to be in the upper zone? This way, and this way too, right? These possibilities have different names and we will be discussing about these in depth in this video. Okay, let us see the possibilities of the first one. Green body and the lower wick, close in the top zone obviously. Red body and the lower wick, or like this too, small wick on the upside too, but as said, close must be in the upper zone. Such formation is called as hammer. First two are classical hammers. Let us see the definition of classical hammer first. There should be a small real body on the top with lower longer wicks. And this wick must be minimum 2 times of the body. That is, if body is X price, then wick should be minimum 2x. Let us compare this traditional definition with what we have analyzed. Isn't it matched? It's just that we gave a moderate touch to the same classical approach. Okay, in preference and confidence terms, if I should give a ranking to this, that is, if I see these candles in different scripts and I should pick one, I will give first preference to this and second to this. Why I gave first preference to green candle? Because it is a bullish sentiment candle and a bullish candle too. Bulls have shown greater power than the second. They have completely took the candle in their control than the second one. Also, if you look at the other two candles, what is the difference between the first two and the second two? This upper wick. There is a rejection for bulls too. So that is the reason I have gave this third preference and this one fourth. Hope you have understood. Now, let us see the possibilities like these formations also. Price open is at the low and price high is close to. No rejection at all. One more possibility is some upper side rejection and one more possibility is some lower side rejection. These are all called marubozu. Actually, this is a bullish marubozu. I will give this candle first importance, of course, yes, because there is no rejection from bears. Full candle is owned by bulls itself. I will give this second importance as no rejection on the top, and this one I will give third importance. Another possibility is price opened and closed at the same price, but on the upper zone. That is, it has no body, but it closed in the upper zone. These will be the possibilities, right? No rejection on the upper side and slight rejection or good rejection. Observe carefully. The price closed in the upper zone itself. That is what I want. This formation is called dragonfly doji. Actually, we call this third one as simple doji. We can discuss about this doji in the continuation patterns. That is the correct place for this. Remember, doji always exhibits neutral sentiment, indecisiveness. So, it can be a continuation or a reversal signal too. Okay, in the same way, if this has to be ranked, no doubt, I will give first preference to this one as bulls completely taken control on the bears. This second preference and to this third preference as bears had a fight too. I hope you have understood. Now, let us see all once again quickly. Hammer formation, marubozu formation and dragonfly formation. Now, if I have all these three in three different scripts and I need to give preference wise importance, personally I will give first importance to this as bulls gave good fight and oversmarted them too. Next importance to this like formation. Bulls gave equal fight to bears. Third importance to this formation. Why? Because see, bulls are in complete grip no doubt, but there isn't any fight happened here. We can be more confident if bulls have a good fight to bears and then won. Okay, to sum up, middle candle formation is called hammer, left side candle formation is called dragonfly doji, and right side is called marubozu, bullish marubozu. That's it. Okay viewers, I sincerely suggest you to open a chart and identify these formations and practice them. In our next video, we will practically take you to the charts and explain you there. I will show you where to wait for these formations and show you how to trade when these are formed. If you like this video and want to watch that video too, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Please like and share the video with your friends. If you have any queries or suggestions, please keep a comment in the comment box. One more thing, if you are looking for a good stockbroker, we suggest and recommend you to Fyers Securities Private Limited. To open Fyers through us, please click on the link in the description box below and submit your details. Our Fyers representative will contact you and will open your account. Have a happy, safe and profitable trading. Jai Hind.